Hey everyone, my name is Eric and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't seen my previous in-depth analysis of the Capital One Venture card, I'll leave a link in the description below so that you can go check that out. But for this video, we're going to be talking about the next travel credit card in my list, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. So today we're going to be taking a deep dive into everything that the Chase Sapphire Preferred card has to offer. Going off our previous video format, we're going to talk about the annual fee and welcome bonus. Then we're going to talk about statement credits and additional perks, and finally ways to earn and lounge access. Once we're done with that, we're going to wrap it all up, and I'm going to give my personal opinion on who probably will benefit from this card the most, who's probably not going to benefit from this card, and just overall if this card is a good card. If you like these styles of videos, please consider leaving a like and ringing that notification bell, and even consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'm currently making a travel card series called Travel Card Tuesday, where every Tuesday between 5 to 6 p.m. I'll be posting a new in-depth analysis video of the next travel credit card in my list. Once we're done with that, we're going to be talking about more educational stuff like travel hacking, credit churning, what is a credit score, what's a credit card, and just more educational stuff like that. So if you're interested in that, please consider subscribing. And let's get into this video. Oh, and also please smash that like button because it helps a lot with the YouTube algorithm just to push my name out there. Thanks. Released in 2009, just a little over 13 years since its creation, the Chase Sapphire Preferred has become one of the most recognizable travel credit cards out there. Even the points guy commonly recommends the Chase Sapphire Preferred to those out there when asked, which travel credit card should you start out with? And I definitely understand why. This card is an absolute behemoth when it comes to a travel credit card. When you compare the cost of this travel credit card versus the utility value of owning this card, practically anyone could probably own this card. The current cost of owning this card is $95 annually, and when you compare it to the mid-tier competition, it's about the same for everyone. Everyone has that $95 annual fee for mid-tier travel credit cards except for the Amex Gold card. Now, I'm not going to talk about why the Amex Gold card has a $250 annual fee and is considered a mid-tier travel credit card for this video, but I promise you that the next video, we're going to talk about everything about the Amex Gold card, so stay tuned for that. But for this video, let's get back into this Chase Sapphire Preferred. The current welcome bonus is 60,000 points after spending $4,000 or more on purchases within the first 3 months of account opening. While not as much as when it first opened and it offered that 100,000 bonus points, the 60,000 bonus points is still a pretty good offer. And furthermore, since the Chase Ultimate Rewards points are probably the most sought after point system out there, it definitely convinces you in another way as to why you should get this card. Those 60,000 bonus points are probably going to get you a lot further than other reward point systems. And the reason behind that is something I'll get into when I talk about the different statement credits that this card provides. So for statement credits, the Chase Sapphire Preferred has a $50 annual hotel credit on hotel stays purchased through the Chase Ultimate Rewards travel portal. So if you're someone who books at least one hotel visit a year, you're effectively cutting your cost of this card to $45 annually. On top of this, Chase is offering a 10% anniversary bonus kicker, meaning if you're someone out there who can reasonably spend, let's say, $100,000 within a calendar year for simplicity's sake, you're gonna get a 10,000 bonus points the next year as an anniversary gift. That's pretty cool. But get this, that isn't the end of the story. Chase decided to take it even further by adding an additional 25% more value when redeemed via the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal. So if you're confused now, trust me, I was too. So I'm gonna put up a graphic just to explain it a little better for both me and you. Going back to my hypothetical statement that when you spend $100,000 in a card member year on your Chase Sapphire Preferred, because of the first 10% bonus points kicker on your anniversary, you'll earn an additional 10,000 bonus points at the end of the card member year. And when you use those points via the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, your 10,000 bonus points actually turns into 12,500 bonus points because of the 25% kicker. So this means that you can now use your hard-earned Ultimate Rewards points at a 1.25 cent valuation per 1 point instead of the common 1 cent to 1 point valuation. And finally, you'll also receive at least 1 year of complimentary Dash Pass membership with DoorDash, which gives you free delivery and reduced service fees on purchases over $12. The Dash Pass is also valued at $9.99 per month or $10 per month, and the statement credit comes out to be about $120 for the year. While there's still a cost for using DoorDash in this method, if you're already someone who already uses DoorDash commonly, this is a great perk to have. And since this Chase Sapphire Preferred is a Visa signature card, it comes with all the different protection perks that are listed on the screen right now. Now, if you were to ask me what the difference was between a Visa signature card versus a Visa Infinite card, the only differences I see are a boost in perks with the Visa Infinite card, the access to the Priority Pass with the Visa Infinite card, and the Visa Signature Hotel Collection versus the Visa Infinite Hotel Collection. Other than that, there's not really too big of a difference. Moving on to ways to earn, I think this is where Chase Sapphire Preferred has followed in the footsteps of its big brother, the Chase Sapphire Reserve. You got 5x on travel booked through Chase Travel Portal, 5x on Peloton Bike, tread, and accessory purchases over $1,800. I don't really understand why this perk is there, but if you're someone who's looking to buy a Peloton bike anytime soon, maybe consider getting this card so that you can get that welcome bonus and also more miles on your Peloton bike. 5x on Lyft, 3x on dining, select streaming services and online grocery shopping, 2x on all travel booked outside of the Chase Travel Portal, and 1x on everything else. Pretty good resume if you ask me. Now, I don't really understand why there's a 5x on Peloton accessories. It's kind of confusing for me why Chase added this, but hey, if you're someone out there who's looking to buy a new Peloton bike and also get a new travel credit card, why not get the Chase Sapphire Preferred, get that Peloton bike so you get that 60,000 bonus points, and have fun with exercising on the Peloton bike. But for me, if you've noticed anything about Peloton and its stock right now, it's not doing so hot. So I'd personally stay away from it, but hey, you're allowed to do whatever you want. Moving along to our last category, this is kind of where the Chase Sapphire Preferred is a bit of a toss-up for me. While you don't get Priority Pass access because the Chase Sapphire Preferred isn't a Visa Infinite card, it's a Visa Signature card, Chase also doesn't really have a personal lounge network yet like Capital One or American Express. However, they did promise 5 different locations within 2022 and 2023. The list is right here. First, we got New York LaGuardia Airport, Boston International Airport, Hong Kong International Airport, San Diego International Airport, and recently announced they're also including the Phoenix Sky Harbor International Airport. Now, once these airport lounges are built, I can see them kind of following in the same footsteps as the Capital One Venture card, where they're offering 2 complimentary passes to their lounge network every calendar year. However, if Chase decides to be insane and just let complete unlimited access to these 5 personal lounges for the Chase Sapphire Preferred, that would completely blow the mid-tier travel credit card competition away. The Chase Sapphire Preferred would be the ultimate winner and there would be no other competition. But I don't really see Chase doing this. Maybe something like the Capital One Venture card. So I'm hopeful, but we'll see. Phew, that was a lot to talk about. Like before, we're gonna clear up some misunderstandings and confusion that I might have created from you watching this video. First, what on earth is the 524 rule from Chase? It's not implied in any other credit card issuer, so why Chase specifically? Now, the 524 rule, in simple terms, is simply if you had 5 or more new accounts in the last 24 months or 2 years, Chase will automatically reject you when applying for their credit cards. Why is this a rule? No one really understands. But the theory is that Chase is using this method to weed out unprofitable customers. Second is just how many transfer partners that Chase actually has. Below is a list of 14 different transfer partners, 11 airlines, 3 hotel, and nearly all of them are instantaneous, with a lot of transfer partners being domestic as well, with United, JetBlue, and Southwest Airlines, effectively allowing your ultimate rewards points to go further than the 1.25 cents to 1 point ratio that the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal has. All right, so it's time for my personal opinion. This card is simply insane. There are tons of ways to earn those valuable ultimate rewards points, and the statement credits make the annual fee basically 0. There's not that much else that I need to convince anyone on. If you're someone who loves traveling, this card is for you. If you're someone who's planning to buy a Peloton bike, this card is for you. If you're someone who consistently rides Lyft, this card is for you. If you dine out a lot, have different streaming services, can shop online for groceries, this card is for you. This is one of the best, if not the best, mid-tier travel credit cards out there. I, alongside the points guys, recommend this card for anyone out there who's just getting into the travel credit card game. So with that, thank you for watching. I hope this video was both informative and entertaining. If you like this style of content, please consider leaving a like and ringing that notification bell. And please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I'm currently making a travel card series called Travel Card Tuesday, where every single Tuesday around 5 to 6 p.m. I'll be pushing out a new video of an in-depth analysis of the next travel credit card in my own personal list. Once I'm done with that, I'm going to be talking about more educational stuff like what travel hacking is, credit card churning, what a credit card score is, and why you need a credit card in general for everyday life. In the meantime, I also want to get to know you guys better as well. So let me ask you a question that's kind of been on my mind recently. What is your go-to credit card? What is that credit card that you unconsciously pull out of your wallet when you pay for something? For me, it's my Capital One Venture X card, just because I'm trying to save up as much as possible on reward points so I can splurge a little bit towards the end of the year on a big trip or maybe next year. It also has that 2% cashback on any eligible purchase, so it's a no-brainer, no hassle for me. So with that being answered, thank you for watching and stay safe out there, guys. Peace.